This is a $1 billion chocolate factory, the most expensive chocolate factory in the world. And I was invited for an exclusive tour of the inside of it. So as a peace offering, I brought an unreleased Feastables product. Let's go check it out.
Jimmy, how do we get in?
I thought you talked to a guy.
I did talk to a guy.
Door's not opening.
Let me in.
Well, bang on the door.
I did. Hello? Is anyone here? What? Ah!
Why'd you shut it?
I didn't do anything.
Jimmy!
Open the door!
Scanning. Access denied. Uniform detected. Open mouth.
What?
Chocolate consumed. Access granted.
Hello? I was told by some guy I'd be getting a tour. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, all right, excuse me. Hey, I need my briefcase. Let go of me. Why would you even need that? Oh, got it. Oh no!
There's no other way in. Jimmy's toast.
Should we go get help?
We're not doing anything until we get further instruction from Jimmy.
Oh, how loyal. I see what you're trying to do.
What?
You're hoping Jimmy's dead.
What a horrible thing to say.
Oh, he's definitely dead.
Why would I be hoping that?
I think we're all thinking the same thing. The question is, how do we settle this like responsible adults?
Settle what?
Who gets Jimmy's channel?
Oh! Oh! That's good.
I mean, we could 1v1 for it.
Just don't tell Carl or Tariq.
The CEO would like to have a word with you.
All right, chill. Okay, all right, what's up?
Hello, Mr. Donaldson. We hope you enjoyed your complimentary chocolate on arrival.
Guys, before moving forward in the video, I want to say something to you. Guys, my girlfriend is not giving me a kiss. She says that neither does your video get likes, nor does your channel get subscribers. So why should I give you a kiss? Guys, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that I can get a kiss from her.
In the heart of New York City, Spider-Man was doing what he does best, swinging high above the chaos, chasing trouble, or in this case, chasing a mouth-watering aroma. Imagine this, the world's most agile superhero, nose in the air, following the scent of something out of this world. Down below, a new hotspot had opened its doors. Galactic Choco Haven. The rumor? The rarest chocolate in the entire universe, shipped straight from a planet no Earthlings ever visited. Naturally, Peter Parker had to see what the fuss was about. He strolls in, and who's behind the counter? Groot, yup, the lovable tree himself, handing out glowing Cocoa Pods. "I am Groot," he announces, grinning as he gives a sample to every wide-eyed customer. Spider-Man can't help but crack up. "Groot, since when do you run a chocolate shop?" Turns out, Rocket Raccoon convinced Groot to share his home planet's legendary chocolate with Earth. But, as always with super stuff, things get wild. A techie villain named Bite Fang and his gang had been watching, convinced those Cocoa Pods hid some kind of cosmic energy. That night they smash in, grabbing crates of the rare treats. Cue the superhero showdown. Spider-Man swings in, webbing up thugs left and right, but it's a full-on chocolate heist. Just as Bite Fang aims his blaster, boom! Groot smashes through, roots flying, trapping the baddies like gnats in a net. Together, Spidey and Groot save the day, snatching back the chocolate and keeping everyone safe. Later, Spidey tries a bite of Groot's chocolate. It's so rich and sweet it almost makes him forget about bad guys. "Best chocolate in the galaxy," he says, grinning. Groot just smiles. "I am Groot. Sometimes, saving the world tastes even better when you share it with a friend and intergalactic chocolate."